Here's the tool you need to gain access to specific barrel locks quickly and easily. Hey, Gareth here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Jonard Tools TTB-6 Barrel Lock Plunger Tool, a must-have for professionals dealing with barrel lock systems. Specifically designed for authorized personnel, the TTB-6 is engineered to unlock two specific barrel locks used across various utility sectors. Note, it only works with these two types of locks, so do not try to use it for other purposes as it will not work. Here are some key specs. It's made from high carbon alloy steel, ensuring durability and tamper resistance for heavy duty use. It features a smooth plunger with heavy duty spring, providing strength and longevity during repeated operations. It's serialized for security, meaning each tool has a unique serial number to prevent unauthorized use. It's designed to work with Channell LK03029817 and Highfield 93180775-S. Barrel locks with inside diameters of 0.176 to 0.196 inches. Using the TTB-6 is straightforward. Here's a quick demonstration using this barrel lock. Start by removing the protective cover. Simply insert the plunger tool into the lock. Flip the lever fully to engage the internal mechanism. Once engaged, pull the tool to remove the lock from its housing. Depress the plunger to disengage the mechanism, and you'll be able to remove the tool. That's it. The Jonard TTB-6 Barrel Lock Plunger Tool is a reliable and durable solution for professionals needing access to specific utility locks, and its robust construction and user-friendly design make it an essential tool in the field. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.